Morning, guys. Buenos dias. 6:39. I'm here in Los Hills with a load of dirt. So aquí ando en Los Hills con una carga de tierra para descargar ahorita. My pop's right behind me. Está mi jefe atrás de conmigo. I'm scheduled to go to Paso Robles and do some local loads in a vineyard, I think. I'm not too sure what it is there, pero so ahorita voy a andar haciendo ahí cargas locales ahí en Paso Robles. Yo y mi jefe, yo creo que son ahí en los files con las estacas, pero no estoy seguro. Es la primera vez que vamos ahí a ver cómo va en este troque, porque si es un field feo, tal vez mis tanques van a pegar. So we'll see how my truck does in those fields. I hope it's not a field, because this truck, it's low, and you know, even with my airbag all the way up, it's pretty dangerous to hit one of the tanks. So I couldn't send anyone else because me and my pops were literally the only ones loaded with dirt, and I mean, why we're gonna sit in the truck empty over there? So, but we'll unload right now and start heading over there. Aquí llegamos a 807 y como dije, sí son estacas. Hay muchos, hay aquí, allá, luego allá. There's a good amount. We're here all day. I'm just worried about how I'll be able to turn around here. So está bien más o menos, pero la última cosa es que no sé dónde voy a dar vuelta para salir de aquí. Pero ahorita le preguntamos al operador y a ver cómo lo hacemos. Loading already. This is about 4 loads here, I'd say. 4 here. There's way more over there, so hay como 4 cargas aquí o más. Y hay otro pila allá, y hay otro más para allá. So here's the second pile. We're all the way over there, which there's like 4 or 5 loads over there. Here I'd say probably 4 loads here. Around there's a good amount. So aquí hay como 4 cargas por ahí. Sí hay mucho aquí también. Luego allá, todo hasta allá. Andamos cargando ahí. Yo latino como unos 5 o 6 viajes. But I came to walk over just to see where I could turn around. And this is where I turn around at. I'll reverse. So aquí es donde voy a dar vuelta. Voy a reversear. Y para afuera, para atrás para el 46. So the 46 and then we'll go all the way to the 101 north. And hay otra pila allá, so there's another pile right there. Looks a little bit more. I didn't ask the guy, the loader, but I'm pretty sure we'll take this as well. This is a good amount. This is going to SA Paso Robles. Paso Robles, de ahí lo llevan para Long Beach. So Paso Robles, they send all this stuff to Terminal Island in Long Beach. So, ahí si estás mirando, Hector, one of the SPR drivers, we got a lot of work coming over here. Saludos a usted, viejón. Lo que ya cargué. That's what I got. Nothing but stakes and wires. I don't put tarp on because it'll mess up our tarp. And either way, it's like a 5-minute drive from where I'm unloading at. So, son como más o menos 5 minutos de manejo, 10 por ahí, no estoy seguro. Pero aquí está cerquita, está aquí luego para descargar. So, no tengo. Pues bueno, yo nunca pongo lona para este material porque revienta la lona. Como ahorita el señor me andaba reventando la lona en un pico así y bueno, mira, más bien está aquí, mira. Es hoyito y le dije que lo estaba puchando y le dije que mejor espérame para arreglar la lona, pero aquí a descargar. Just unloaded the first load. Here comes my pops with the second load. There's a lot of work right now, so my pops is in the spare truck with the spare trailer. That's mi jefe. Anda en el troque extra porque hay mucho jale ahorita. Troque extra y la traila que tenemos de extra también. Hay mucho jale ahorita, pero let's go get this second load. Ando saliendo de aquí en los files, so I'm leaving here the field already with the 5th load. So aquí ya con la carga número 5, son las 2, so it's 2. Yo y mi papá hicimos 5 cargas cada quien, so me and my pop did 5 loads each. He's right now behind me loading. I'm already leaving, so that's all that. I mean, we could come back for another one, but over there they told me no, they don't want to be, out that late. Entonces ahorita pues vamos a ir no vamos a descargar ahí en ese, pues vamos a ir para allá, pero nos van a echar más peso. So right there they're gonna put more weight on top of the load that we have right now, so we're not gonna unload it. So it's quicker. We won't be able to unload today, so no vamos a descargar hoy hasta mañana. So we'll see each other at Paso when we're loading. Unloading. Pop's loading already. Ya terminó de cargar. There's SPR, so they come and they load up the steaks and take it to TI. I'm away from my dad. Voy a esperar para mi jefe para ir para ver que soy para atrás juntos. So that'll be it. It's the next day. Here, truck started up, so próximo día. Estoy calentando el troque. Todos los choferes ya, they're out of here. 7 morning. Ahora son las 7 y todos los choferes ya se fueron a trabajar. Yo voy a andar aquí local, entonces por eso me levanté un poquito tarde. So I'm gonna be here local today. I woke up a little late. Got truck 4. Needs some injector works. I think 2 gave out. So este troque, 2 inyectores fallaron. Estamos en proceso de arreglarlo. De la troca de servicio. Pues ya, es todo. Hay que ir a descargar. Que apenas lavaron el troque y ya está sucio. So they barely washed my truck and it's already dirty. Well, looks alright. Nice and lowered. I think I need to polish it again, all the tanks. I want to polish the rims again. I didn't show you guys, but the other day, these are new fenders. The other day in Lost Hills, the dirt bent my fenders. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. I guess there was a big border of dirt and it just pushed it in. That one over there, you can for sure tell. It was worse the it was worse because I pushed it back out. So esos allá en Los Hills lo enchuequé ahí con un bordo de tierra que estaba bien hondo, y apenas ni tengo como 2 meses con estos fenders, y lo enchuequé, pero es que estaba muy feo ahí para descargar. Sí, lo enchuequé, lo enderecé un poquito más para atrás, todavía le falta. But also here a piece of metal fell and messed with the fenders. So it's very hard to. I didn't have that. Haven't had those for like a month. But it's very hard to try to keep these trucks in perfect condition, especially when some of the loaders don't care. Like for example, I have this here loader in Fresno. Got a piece of metal, flinged it towards the cab, and it fell and it hit my truck. So, but we'll go and load.